Okay, we're going to take a look at how we can use Desmos to figure out what the equation is for a table. So I've written a table down here in the corner, and I want to take this table and I want to insert it into Desmos. So there's a plus button at the top left-hand corner, and when I push plus, drops down an option of an expression in a table. So we're going to include a table, and in this table, we're going to put the points 8, 1, 12, 3, and 18, 6. Now this table is not as friendly as some tables are because it doesn't show me immediately what my y-intercept would be. But if you notice that over here, it has graphed the points that I told my table to graph. So now what I want to do is I want my calculator to tell me what the equation is that would go through those points. So we're going to model the slope-intercept form equation. So the slope-intercept form equation is y equals mx plus b. Now notice that it did not do anything over here because this y equals mx plus b is not telling my calculator to reference this table that's up here. So we're going to adapt this just a little bit. So notice that it says y1. So instead of y, I actually want to make it y1. Instead of the equal sign, you're going to use this tilde button. So on here, it's a squiggly line. On your keyboard, this tilde button is actually in the top left-hand corner of your keyboard. So notice I still don't have a line over here. But up here, instead of x, it actually says x1. So we're going to add a 1 behind this because we want to tell our calculator, I want it to reference the table that I wrote above. Ta-da! Do you see the line going through all the points that we had graphed? So what I want you to notice, let's see if I can move this down. I'm going to get rid of my table here. What I want you to notice is that the calculator now has told me what my m and what my b will be. So when I write my equation, y equals, the m is 0.5. So it would be 0.5 x. And then it tells me that my b is -3 minus 3. Now, when you're doing this, make sure that all of your letters are lowercase and not capital, because all of these letters are lowercase as well.